Wizards. Control flow lets your Python code make decisions and repeat tasks, like a brain-directing AI logic. Use if statements to check conditions, like model accuracy, and loops to process data, like iterating through features. It's the foundation of smart AI programs, and we'll show you how in our demos.
Anastasia, how does control flow help AI specifically? Can you give an example?
Great question, Olivia. In AI, control flow decides if a model's accuracy is good enough with if accuracy and 0.9, or loops through data with 4 to train models. You'll see these in action in our demos, Wizards. Wizards, if statements let your code decide based on conditions, like if accuracy 0.9, print, excellent. They're perfect for AI tasks, like evaluating model performance or classifying data points. You'll learn to use if, else, and elif to make your code smart and responsive.
Exactly. In AI, if statements check if a model meets thresholds, like accuracy or loss, guiding your program's next steps. We'll show you how to write these in our demo to evaluate AI models. Get ready to make decisions like a wizard.
Wizards, else, and elif make your if statements more powerful. Use elif accuracy 0.8 to check additional conditions and else for a fallback, like print, needs improvement. These are key for AI logic, like grading model performance.
Think of elif as extra decision paths for your AI, like checking multiple accuracy thresholds. Else catches any case that doesn't match, ensuring your code always responds. We'll use these in our demo to evaluate AI models, wizards.
Wizards, for loops let you iterate over sequences, like for feature in features, to process each item in a list. In AI, for loops handle tasks like processing datasets or updating model weights. They're simple yet powerful, and we'll show them in our demo.
Ethan, how do for loops help with AI data processing?
Great question, Olivia. For loops iterate through data points, like features in a dataset, to analyze or transform them for AI models. You'll see how we loop through a list in our demo, Wizards.
Wizards, while loops repeat as long as a condition is true, like while count len features, to process a list. They're great for AI tasks, like training a model until a condition is met. We'll use a while loop in our demo to show its power.
Perfect, Anastasia. In AI, while loops can iterate until a model's accuracy improves or a dataset is fully processed, they're flexible but need careful conditions to avoid infinite loops. Get ready to loop like a wizard.
Wizards, logical operators like and, or, and not enhance if statements. For example, if accuracy greater than 0.8 and loss less than 0.2, checks multiple conditions for AI models. These operators make your AI logic precise and powerful.
Operators are like spell combinations wizards, use and to require both conditions or for either, and not to invert. Try them in our demo to refine your AI decision-making.
Wizards, while loops can run forever if the condition never becomes false, called an infinite loop. Always update the condition, like count plus _1, to ensure the loop ends. In AI, this prevents your code from stalling during data processing.
For example, while count less than 5, print, count, loops forever without count plus equals 1. Check your conditions and test in the shell to avoid crashes. We'll show safe loops in our demo, Wizards.